Hello students, by this video let us study about cytoplasm. So cytoplasm is the region present inside the cell membrane excluding the nucleus. So what is cytoplasm? Cytoplasm is the region present inside the cell membrane of a plant cell or an animal cell. So, excluding the nucleus, well we know the nucleus is the center of the cell. So, excluding the center of the cell nucleus and region present inside the cell membrane, so that is called as a cytoplasm. In other words, the region present between the nucleus and the cell membrane of a cell is called cytoplasm. Okay, so what is cytoplasm? Cytoplasm is the region present in between the nucleus and the cell membrane of a plant cell or animal cell is called as a cytoplasm. So this cytoplasm, it is made up of cytosol and cell organelles. So what are cytoplasm made up of? They are made up of cytosol and cell organelles. Now let us see what is this cytosol. So cytosol, it is a colorless, watery like a fluid or a medium. Okay, it is a fluid-like substance. Cytosol is a fluid-like substance. It is colorless, watery in nature, and jelly-like medium. It is jelly-like substance. It is. This jelly-like substance contains 70 to 90% of water. So that's why they are watery in nature. Okay. So cytosol, they are colorless. They doesn't have color. They are colorless. They are watery. Yes. Water, because why they are watery? Because 70 to 90% of water is present in it, in the cytosol. So that's why cytosol is watery, and moreover they are jelly-like substance they are. Okay. Now what are the cell organelles? So I said cell organelles are also present along with the cytosol inside the cytoplasm, right? Now these cell organelles are endoplasmic reticulum, vacuole, ribosomes, Golgi complex, lysosomes, mitochondria, centrioles, chloroplast are present inside the cell. Okay. Now, these cell organelles, so different types of cell organelles are present in the cytoplasm. So, depending upon the plant cell and animal cell, the cell organelle present in it also differ. So, in the case of plant cell, chloroplast will be present and vacuoles, big vacuoles will be present. So that is one of the main difference between plant cell and animal cell. So in the plant cell, along with the cell organelles like endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes, Golgi complex, lysosomes and mitochondria, along with this vacuoles, large vacuoles and chloroplast are present. So because the presence of chloroplast contain green color pigment, because of that green color pigment containing chloroplast in the cells of plants generally they look green in color. Understanding? So green color is responsible is because the presence of chloroplast cell organelle inside the cell. So the plant cell contain the cell organelles like chloroplast, big vacuoles, endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes, Golgi complex, lysosomes, mitochondria. Fine. Now when we look into the animal cells also contain all these cell organelles, but they does not contain chloroplast. Chloroplast will be present only in the plant cell. Animal cells does not contain chloroplast. Okay, and moreover, animal cell contain vacuoles. These vacuoles, they are small vacuoles will be present in the animal cell. Okay, and all other cell organelles, endoplasmic reticulum, vacuole, ribosomes, Golgi complex, lysosomes, mitochondria and centriole. So these are the cell organelles present in animal cell. Yes, animal cells does not contain chloroplast. Yes, and the vacuoles present in the animal cell, they are very small in size. So these all are the cell organelles present in the animal cell. So to summarize once again, the cytoplasm. So cytoplasm is the region present around the nucleus and in between the cell membrane. I repeat once again, cytoplasm is the region present in between the nucleus and the cell membrane. Cytoplasm contains cytosol and cell organelles. So cytosol is a colorless, watery, jelly-like substance which is made up of 90% of water. I mean 70 to 90% of water will be present in the cytosol. So other than this, cytosol also, the cytoplasm also contains cell organelles. So those cell organelles are endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes, Golgi complex, lysosomes, mitochondria. In the case of animal cells, centriole is also present and vacuoles are present, but they are small in size. But in the case of plant cell, all the cell organelles except the centriole. So instead of centriole, chloroplast will be present in the plant cell. So because the presence of chloroplast, the chloroplast contain the green color pigment called as chlorophyll. The green color is provided to the plants. Yes, so that's all about your cytoplasm. Hope you understood. Thank you. Understand the difference between protoplasm and cytoplasm. Yes, so both these terminologies, they sound similar. Now what is the difference between these two terminologies? We'll understand it now. So protoplasm, generally all the plant cell when we consider, we will not tell it as cytoplasm. Instead we tell it as protoplasm. Whereas in animal cell, when we study, we tell the cell interior of an animal as a cytoplasm. Okay. Whereas in the plant cell, the cell interior we consider it as protoplasm. Okay. Now what is protoplasm? So protoplasm is the region present inside and outside the nucleus. So well we know nucleus is the center part of the cell. So the region which is present inside the nucleus and outside the nucleus, so that is called protoplasm. So in a plant cell, the region present interior to the cell membrane, so that is called as your protoplasm. Okay, so the nucleus and the cytoplasm together is called as protoplasm. Okay, now what does this nucleus contain? Of course, nucleus is center of the cell. So this nucleus contains a fluid part. So that fluid part is called as nucleoplasm. Okay, so nucleus consists of nuclear membrane and it is also having a fluid part, fluid content inside the nucleus. So that fluid content is called as nucleoplasm. So both nucleoplasm and cytoplasm together is called as protoplasm. Understanding? Yes. So there is a particular formula to memorize the protoplasm. Nucleus plus cytoplasm is equal to protoplasm. Okay, this is for your simplicity. I have given this as a formula. Nucleus plus cytoplasm is equal to protoplasm. Now when we know cytoplasm, so we have already seen that the region present in between the nucleus and the cell membrane is called cytoplasm. So protoplasm minus nucleus is called cytoplasm. So what is cytoplasm? Protoplasm minus nucleus is called cytoplasm. So cytoplasm is the region which is present in between the nucleus and the cell membrane. So that particular region is called as cytoplasm. Now you understood the difference? Yes. So what is the main difference between protoplasm and cytoplasm? Protoplasm contains cytoplasm plus nucleus. Cytoplasm and nucleus together comprises the protoplasm, whereas cytoplasm is nothing but from the protoplasm you just separate the nucleus, so that part is called your cytoplasm. So formula is like this: protoplasm minus nucleus is equal to cytoplasm. So in order to easy memorize the concept of cytoplasm and protoplasm, you just study this formula. Okay, I repeat the formula: nucleus plus cytoplasm is equal to protoplasm, and from protoplasm you just minus the nucleus, so that gives you the cytoplasm. Understanding? So hope you understood the difference between protoplasm and the cytoplasm.